Hi guys, thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my wash day routine on my naturally curly hair. But first, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to stay around for more videos like this. Also, if you have subscribed, thank you for coming back for another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video as well. So I'm starting out today on freshly washed hair, and I've sectioned my hair off into two sections. I find that it's just easier for me to get all of the product through my hair when I section it this way. So I'm just taking this one section and I'm going to divide that into two sections here. I'm going to twist this top part up out of the way, and I'm going to start working first on this back section. Now I'm going to use my spray bottle, spray it with some water. I've been out of the shower for a little bit, so it's starting to dry, but we don't want to start styling on dry hair. We want to get that moisturized so that these curls are popping. So I'm going in with a new product from Carol's Daughter from the Green Supreme line. I've never tried this before, so I'm not sure how it's going to work, but this is a tonic leave-in, and the bottle says it's for stronger, longer hair. So we're going to test it out today. So I'm just making sure I get that all the way through my hair. It doesn't really have a smell, which is good. But I'm just really going to work that product in, make sure I get all of my hair covered, including those ends. And once I get that in, I'm going to twist this section out of the way and move on to my next section. So I'm just going to repeat those same steps. I'm going to spray my hair with water. I'm going to work that in. Just makes it more manageable. It also opens up the hair to receive the other products you're going to apply. Going back in with the leave-in tonic. My hands get wet, the bottle gets wet, things get slippery. But I'm just going to work that product all the way in. And I had to split this section into two sections just because it was kind of big. My arms are getting tired already. But I'm just going to go in with the hair tonic for this section as well. Working that in from roots to tips. And then I'm going to twist that out of the way and move on to my next section. Okay, so repeating the same steps as we did on the other side. Spritz with water. Go in with the hair tonic. Work that through. Making sure to get all the strands covered. Distribute the product evenly from roots to tips. And I think I'm starting to get a good feel for this product at this point, for this tonic. I think I'm going to like it, but we'll see. Keep watching. So I've got all the product distributed here. Going to twist this out of the way. Now we're going to move into our styling products. I'm using the Maui Moisture. This is the one in the green packaging. It's the bamboo and fiber, I believe. It's a hair mask, but if you read the label, the directions say that you can use it as a leave-in conditioner, and I've done that many times before in the past, and I love it. My hair loves it, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And all of the items that I'm using will be in the description box below, so you can check there for more details. But I'm just going in with the conditioner now. My hair drinks this stuff up. It leaves your hair so soft, so moisturized. but also very defined. And you'll see here, I do a combination of raking motions and shingling. So I'm raking that conditioner through my hair right now. Then I go in with a brush and brush that in. That's just going to give extra definition as well. And now I'm going in with my styler. Today I'm using the Wet Line Xtreme gel. This is comparable to Eco Styler gel. I love this gel. I also like Eco Styler, but Eco Styler is more natural and Wet Line is not at all. So use at your own discretion. But I always get amazing results with this Wet Line Xtreme, whereas with Eco Styler I get good results, but I also get sometimes I get a bit of buildup. Eco doesn't always work well with other products, so I'm going in with this Extreme Wet Line Gel today, and I'm just working that product in from roots to tips. Now I'm doing a bit of a smoothing motion. After I rake the product in, I like to smooth it through from roots to tips, do a little scrunch, and move on to my next section. So we're going to go in with the Maui Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm going to really work that product in. I don't know if everyone is like this, but for me, some sections of my hair require a bit more attention than other sections. So the back of my hair is so easy, so manageable. The middle section is a bit more work. So I'm really going to take my time, work that product in, make sure it's distributed nicely, and give it a bit more gel. Just for hold, I like for my wash and goes to last as long as possible. So I only have to do this routine once a week. So that's why I'm a bit heavy-handed on the product, but it works for me, you know. We all have to figure out what's going to work for us. Now I'm going back over to this section of my hair. The product's had a bit more time to work and sit in my hair, and I think I'm going to like it. My hair feels very soft, very manageable, so I think I'm going to like that leave-in tonic from Carol's Daughter. So again, I'm just smoothing that product into my hair. And I tried to speed through a lot of it because it's so repetitive. I just do the same steps in all the sections. The front part of my hair, I do like to give a little extra scrunch, so that's what I'm doing there. Okay, that's it. So now we're going to air dry. We're just going to wait. And it's the next morning. I'm getting ready for work, and if you would like to see my nighttime routine of how I protect my hair overnight, just let me know. I can do a video for you. But for taking my hair down, I usually just shake it out and then I fluff it with my hands. I don't use a pick or anything like that. I'm just fluffing it out with my fingers, pulling some of the curls apart that may have gotten mashed overnight, and just getting it fluffed out to my liking. And that's going to be it. I'm going to give you a 360 here. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.